I got this planet Earth and Moon in orbit Lego model for Christmas. It's operated by a crank and it shows the Moon rotating around the Earth and the Earth rotating around the Sun. This is also known as an Orrery. I thought it might be cool to show how I motorized it with a stepper motor so that it could operate on its own. The mechanism of the Orrery can go pretty quickly when it's driven by the stepper motor. So the design for this Orrery is right here. The adapter piece just sits right on top. It was designed by taking a unit cube of Lego, which is 8 by 8 by 8 millimeters, and building it up piece by piece by looking next to the model. We can see I also imported a Technic axle as well as the stepper motor. Both of these things were just subtracted from a cylinder, so the shaft of the motor and the axle. So that's all there is to it. The circuit board is simply a Teensy LC Arduino compatible microcontroller along with a ULN 2003A driver board, just like the kind that comes with the actual stepper motor. Here we have an overview before installation. This is the protrusion for the axle. We take the base and put 2 M4 screws. Then we attach the motor to the base. We can use 2 M4 nuts to do so. And this is after it has been installed. We can see here a time lapse of the entire mechanism in action. It takes about 10 minutes for it to go around at the maximum speed of my stepper motor. Thanks for watching.